Wait, mami ti way.
Alex.
Alex be ya.
Oh yeah, you knew Alex. Nye regional chairman no. Yeah, you knew Alex teacher ni.
Oh menya pa me so say do send my me no. Oh be say na me nche bia.
Alex on ndi name.
Alex you fan say.
OBED mami ti way.
Jibo. Kotoko supporters circles. Circles no. Ade ba akwa ha omopa conflict management. We are monitor Kotoko circles. We are on him say ade ba akwa ha omopa conflict management. How they resolve their internal issues, how they approach issues has always been an only idea ba akwa atwe o masan pa wo mo hihye. So pa ade ba akwa moment me look attractive. And circles will need some element of structure. Structures pa here be. We are saying there done no. I saw me done no. One done no. We are saying be kwaja. Circles no and maintaining usefulness, and as of now, it is still useful. The circles is not useful. It is useful, but intimi enriching the true potential. The judicial circles bet me a drama ni potential and do leveler. They will be instrumental. They will be vibrant. Umbabe deciding force was Asante Kotoko. The honor structures. And some level of adjustment in them. But you cannot question their importance. There are people who contribute financially. And ye or more, with the better. A year befia, you'll be a thing crier, or best send this caba. Benyon never quite could jinabusi, a quaco bodano. What I say? Good. Sasu ni obia dana edi nipa na to mpem no obetena ho akuku nipa no ho akopem sa ade beche you ne de oye you be throughout the whole process ye de be ye no Sunday bi obekọ ni kuro makwa meeting but e bi obekọ no ontimi mfa hwe into table no so ba ye wa di se sankofo no yi o mafiri nkomo no mu a sika fund this kan be bomba na ye na say you're the frefra. But it looks like in our part of the world we cherish omwa. Discover more than we use physical strength and use hoarding. Circles, the groundswork around Asante Kotoko. They might not have the money. Most of them. Obey ya to a bam. Na home. But yes, say a that ye. And find you may be a baby Asante Kotoko, they are doing it.
Ebini saying,
you see, your Asante Kotoko cheetah for that move round from one media house to the other. Talking about Asante Kotoko matches. Talking about certain issues around the club.
How long the team never was always had the way?
Too steady, baby. I'm a free banner. Men can't say that is the only way. But I'm letting you know some level of contribution on the ball on board. Okay. Makacho say we are saying necessary. Once a sound one, obeke. So circles e da hono. Eyan science. And science in such a way that e betimi accommodate a lot of people. Send any bottom ebe edu. Enti oyi scanner to no. No science groundswork ne ka. And the bema circles na important. But to do that you need to accommodate and invite a lot of people on board. What did this topic to have agreed on it? Okay, more campaigning for inviting the WhatsApp groups and other members to also come on board. Yeah, more circle numbers. Yeah, more comment. Any important. Yeah, more chance to fight for leadership position. I've campaigned for that. But at the moment, any entire dissolution of the circles because there are certain aspects of their job which is relevant. Now, are they ready for the change? Almost circles,
which change?
The leadership.
And say almost suggest to say, OBED baby OCCA. The open so management. Management the mobile. They have to find a way to generate money. at a point ebi need the opim so or ye no build the foundation no be bedum pempen so bi no see you say be di Kotoko anim and I will lead a management you need to find a way based on the foundation that team are building no to generate sika.
The direction of the circles.
Medemeba na bote ba ko ni say you will need the supporters. So what I say getting the supporters on board and they unimi mienu ya adwene say a lot of the young people coming up based on the omabe hu about the circles no ama circles na attractive to them even the din keke a din kwane circles no but the club ni here is not din edo bi so what the club needs is money to run the club. So what I say so how do we bring supporters no do on board to join the Fabu census and contribute directly to the club? I dem fast war this break club no. So what the say into to even make the chairmanship position attractive. So person by Kotoko supporters chairman there is a procedure as we go through so we phones obey the ni nyina wo oba unim say enye nipa ba ku mienu miensa bi na ato abade ama but he will recognize larger number mono financially they contribute to the club and na oba be di omanim se sanyo manyoma ni si a conflict ya wo kan nyina na be solve no easy.
You see the direction of the circle must come from the next management of Asante Kotoko. The total rebranding no kasa circles na anya rebranding na jibomonye.
That is what I'm saying say this should be the job of ABA management be ebeba
the next structure of Asante Kotoko ebetimi akase moving forward. And in this case, so we explain it to them. Circles in meetings, circles in meetings, a free system. These days we have board members of big companies on meetings.
Alex moya ni din o de aba me din de Alex G. Obi ani say for Alex G why? Meaning pa no hard no do.
So my point is the next management of Asante Kotoko, especially with this Fabu census are about to stay. Because the moment you get a Fabu census, you get a card. It's almost an ID now. The person is a recognized Kotoko fan.
Yes.
And therefore, things are recognized about Asante Kotoko, the person should play a part. I agree. But the process leading to this change must come from a higher body above the current circles now. If it's not coming from a higher body above them, now expect circles now so only the transitioner because when him say Christopher tried saw this support or the WhatsApp groups neighbor I'm near Juma because WhatsApp groups no be at 10 years 7 years I know you're chairman of the group. Okay, before you can bring such a person on board it should go through a process.
When him say one of the suggestions when Omo decided some share WhatsApp groups no Omo de buy and say Omo are ready to join, but they don't want to use the name circles. Kotoko supporters union, maybe a Kotoko supporters say, general.
Kotoko supporters should have an iconic name. So you can decide to say
something that has existed over the years. Will be said because of WhatsApp.
OBED Asante
Martin, they all can say circles. Matthias say they don't like the name circles. Kotoko supporters, but it should have a name. I say what circles na representative BB. It should have I say nya BB.
I know you another step. But what they want now, they say say at the end be free when now will be because one thing they say even those leading the circles now accept to say WhatsApp groups and their influence on the club overtake Adwuma circles near.
No, overtake it.
It's true. Therefore, let me tell you, meba. Nyabotre. Eba cho nyabotre. Bafo nyabotre. Stadium na yako. Bafo wambacho ma OBED nkasa.
So it means that
OBED kasa ma yini microphone
The point I'm trying to make is the issue of this conflict. If you contribute to one, if they want to add everybody on board, there should be proper structures. Structures in such a way so me nkasa me free. WhatsApp group in Maba. me buy na me di nipa be 1,000 e buy
Automatically. What's a group here?
Abodi asa na kana.
What's a group there? There here way.
Hey,
What's a group there?
minim kra yi kumapem.
Kumapem was now me this to be.
Oh ha me oh do say.
Kumapem now me this to be.
Kumapem wa ba 5 groups.
Oh, just imagine. So
what's up 20%?
All the difficulty in it. The Kumapem now 5 groups no. Some of the people leapfrog. So what are we talking about? There is a saint. And the Kumapem family for their political interest.
What's up?
And to Kumapem to young how can anybody say this to convince me?
Yeah.
No, me say so Kumapem young cross circles.
There is nothing a supporter can contribute to a club. Ebema club no any direct benefit than say supporter. Say bosumi bi o sika so de ma club. WhatsApp na wo kana. Let me do little education here. WhatsApp na wo kana. WhatsApp ya wa limit. But for listening to me, oh yes sir, you are spoiling the program. What you raise something up. Obi o tia bonte bia no onim. And I want to correct you. WhatsApp no group no e wa limit. It is a so a Nani powerful for Basom Bejonia. The only thing you can do is to create another group. It's men can say, oh, how.
Some of them flop. Now me platform. I was there. It's not like I was there.
Obey the anyway.
My point is the issue of structures. Structures comes here. Structures to one an upper body because the transition will not be easy. So what is the mechanism? Transition ain't easy. You pull circles, not one numbers power. And circles might have numbers than any other group when it comes to Asante Kotoko. You form more Greater Accra to Western to Asante region. You have more Brahafo to Tamale to Eastern NY supporters union. They have numbers than any other group. What do I say? Any other group.
Okay.
Therefore, say if there will be any form of transition, it should go through a structure. And there should be a higher body above the circles to undergo that structure.
Okay.
As to set circles for no crabs idea to say to include everybody will even be another conversation altogether. But I side with your point to say the moment to be a decided even if it's 1 Ghana cedis, make a club no. Anya club ne number anya club no contribution there. That person must have a say in issues around the support. For that I agree with it.
Say OBED meda say sausu na meda zakase na mada bafo waso ase samida nyahode de wan hebe kodwada o yema ayi for ne ma Kotoko global fa o memo slide say minti ka say o timi twese say twen my ne Kotoko global for ni nkomo kakra bi na be simenum bi na afi ode way na ba asa kotina chiro baby na yenwene ho ebenfo makwaba
strike and so
bibi aboko de okay we dey mo ambo mu dia na ma kire baby amfri ba fo mbacho untie Mr. Mbacho me ba fo o me amenye show na
Kito kasa no ngasa no
Kito no jina bonten
o ba wo kasa
o so the microphone na be so kasa mu
we say Kotoko de e cycle so me Kotoko Dubai pre-season
o ba be hosu program na mame o
there be me hosu
omo time
obanyi Bacho odi ye say
friend Benjamin hosu do do e dey do na dey me President Benjamin.
Okay, it's your position wo Kotoko global ye say
Me administrator.
Okay. Opinion number Bacho so
give me that say me dey nana say kojupa bi do na from me father.
Okay. Ba for opinion ni so be kai na last 2 seasons Kotoko ne Aduana Stars was a video bi ba abonten sa game ni so top pass abo na zeze shego bi nya go of the season no Aduana Stars wo baba ya Sports Stadium say na chitani bi gina nsu mu odi asa gidi video ne ko viral pa e yo no afada aha omunyina ye members of waya
father
then so na tie yi
so we be madam for so ntia say
and you ready ye makwaba monante ye ne say yo
Yeah, Joseph Striker. Yeah, bidi kanchia atifo ne ahwefo. Enyum radio mu hu ya ha enye bone. Say ye nana otumfo body utai bi si nani so. Aye you konfanochi. Eno na Kotoko Global. Kotoko Global Kotoko supporters aye wo ewiase afana nyina. Ena yake kan ho bu ma ekoyi bibi kakra. The boy nana ewo he got conference project nti eno na mumu ya ha ya nanti se ane.
Okay. Nti na mo go pie mo conference
Patro.
Okay. Ena my donation.
Yele kakra ko.
Mo twa ba say
Each year it say 15,000
Ghana cedis. Oh, okay. Okay. Nti mo dey support to mo team am support to ra opim so. Na ni so ade hu ho ye say conference enyoma ba akomienu miensa bi koso wo ha ebehia so no abebam na obeboa na yesiesi ama ho aye kama na no na mo dey support nyesa
sa pepepe.
Okay. Jonfo administrator we dey be kwa ma Kotoko Global no so efiri hen.
Okay, like I say, Kotoko Global, all the WhatsApp groups, no. So we are coming together as one family. It will be when the leadership of OBED. Yeah, boom as one group and a global.
Boom as one group.
You were Ultras, you were VVIP, you were Loyal Red Army, you were Kumapim, all those groups, no. Saying boom as one group and a Kotoko Global.
Okay. To make it come in album.
Yes.
And I'm therefore Kotoko Global.
Yes.
To man global and then a bad time or no osro.
Yes.
Okay. Now money so I don't say.
Make I say, you need to add say club na bet na mana ko baby I will say. So you want purpose. I was say call eco drew baby or share the current trend of way of managing football. Yeah, we say club no beti ko I could do sabi. I will baby to be at and can obey with whom there was a cost wana and yet the water keke be the obi no and the water near pepe.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Father
Striker.
Say father kwa we circle member.
Debbie.
On join the circle ya.
Me circle.
Sa
me Kotoko supporter but me shut down.
Do WhatsApp platform be na wo so ade akojo
address. Kotoko address.
Address do moduma e different no. Omo na ya no mo betia no.
Oh, Debbie.
Na say so no issue statement be one ko.
Yes sir.
But wait me be some question. Almost say a Kotoko supporters we are suffering nyina including one more Ghana nyina
a certain group new bia but omo WhatsApp groups and now omo say omo yi ma nti so omo kan omo ma na omo dey form Kotoko Global no it's new bia but omo bi omo punato obi o person join bia betia join.
Two quick questions. Omo various groups no including Ultras even this some of the members ni bia belong to various circles nana some circle members. Number two, do they form this to rival the circles nana? Two questions.
Me that say danger man. Kotoko circles here say be omo yempanyifo. Omo ye niam be pray dey aboa Kotoko omo shase enye Kotoko Global dem say you buy 2 years more and say if I'm right yeah we are not in competition with them. Yenjina be GDS circles
Kotoko ye na mo
say Kotoko be yen so ye butaye ni say Kotoko be
I be na kwan mo be fa so ma ye na ba different
very different but we are all fighting for the same cause. We are not in competition with them.
Okay but for you okay
me okay
now say me no ana
second one ni say omo members no omo members na omo ebinim yes circle members that ebi am fan say minua ote hey ebi a o so busa ne say
na say wa wonu asoje bi we circle member
me nim so kan
asoje bi kan we circle member so
but that jomo yi sa question na no ma me
oh so make I say me VVIP me say Ultras
do wa
yes VVIP ni am
and all your WhatsApp group Kotoko VIP.
So no me interest here circles as a body. So obi betima circles. That obi was circles but that's all different WhatsApp group. And only ka say ja circles are ebia we ye bibi wo hono ye ntimi ka say ja free hono. But ye bibi as Ultras and as a VVIP you have to partake in
participate in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Some also a question.
Which is okay.
Producer also a question. What's a question about
question?
Question be about 551.
Supporters. Also got a global mobile. Most say more boa team kakra. Last season, who donation mo them boa club no. And na person who say denti na mujai. And I say more BBC this season. Then na mo. Then so na mo be ye dia boa team no this season.
Okay, so I mean from this season there. There were a lot of projects away and so first one you the kind the project now he will come for not today. This season there were a lot of things ahead but for now I am fan to members and they mean to me can was MCC.
Okay. Timu besa mkoba mane answer.
Yes.
Mbesa mu di release be ba bontin na ko fa sama ba. Na mo membesa be busa mo say.
So yeah, be the kind
of
discuss your websites.
Okay.
Marketing
websites.
Yeah, websites. Yeah. KotokoGlobal.com. Click this here, you will see it there.
Yes, sir.
Everything. Social media platform, baby, Kotoko Global, you will see us there.
Okay.
And see, if you are there, she has to and you may be here on Twitter. On the space, internet.
Now the one one number
to oh, you bet. Okay, so also a global, baby. And see, baby, a bit me share as a group. Obi a bit my candy or person can. That. Please. But aside that, other groups will be here on the platform. I can't do a person discussing the BBR. And one of the global MMA can't just say all trust. But you decided to global yes, yeah. We all trust. We are my own. That's it.
Ati my member course kaka 05361616070201941461. Before we are paying for
boss before